Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're talking about boys, K-pop boys. K-pop boys that are tattooed. Before I start this video, I'd like to say hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a big thumbs up for hot tattooed K-pop boys. And let me know in the comments down below who your favorite tattooed K-pop boy is. This is something that I just kind of wanted to talk about, but didn't really know how to talk about it. So I just kind of made it like a top 5. I'll probably talk about this in more detail sometime later. But I just wanted to talk about this because I feel like tattoos aren't super common in the K-pop industry. I don't know, I'm noticing it a lot more, but that's kind of as I get in more into like K-hip-hop. Personally, I am 10 out of 10 all for K-pop boys having tattoos. I think that if you want the tattoos, you should be able to get the tattoos. I don't know if it's a thing they're not allowed to do. I really don't know. I'm gonna look into it more and maybe I'll talk about that again. So this is my personal opinion, the top 5 hottest K-pop boys with tattoos. Honestly, a lot of this hotness ranking is kind of based on personality. I'm picking guys that I really do enjoy their personalities, their music, looks, tattoos, everything. Coming in at number 5 on the list is Hyunsung. He was formerly in Beast. He's done Troublemaker, he is a solo artist. He was almost in Big Bang, which is part of why I love him so much. I came to love him through their little documentary thing. He's great, music is incredible. He's got a very interesting personality, which I'm drawn to because I like wanna figure him out, I guess. But he's got a big tattoo down his side. I believe he has one on his arm. But yeah, Hyunsung, he's been through a lot in his career. I got a lot of love for him. He is tattooed, he is cute, so he is number 5. Number 4 on the list is Taeyang from Big Bang. I love him. I have a lot of love for him. He's rocking his tattoos, so talented. So talented. I could talk about all day how talented he is. His voice is incredible. He's incredible. Obviously, another thing with Taeyang is G-Dragon was a little bit of inspiration in him getting tattoos. What? G-Dragon. Number 3 on the list is Hongki from FT Island. I have recently been so obsessed with him. I think he is just a total cutie. I have been in love with FT Island's music recently, like absolutely loving it. The song Pray and Take Me Now have been my jam recently. I recently watched his episode of We Got Married, the global edition, and oh my gosh, he is a little charmer. I couldn't even handle it. Number 2 on the list is Jay Park. Now that we're at our top 2, I'm gonna talk a little more about the actual tattoos. Jay Park has obviously got some serious tattooage going on. I just made that word up, I don't know if it's a real word. Tattooage. He, I think, looks incredible. Like, wow, like I don't think I've ever looked at somebody and been like, dang, like so much when I saw his tattoos. Like I was like, yes, like I'm literally not even speaking English right now. But like, he's got his whole like arm and like chest thing, and I am living for it. His music slays. Like he's released so much new music lately. I am in love with his songs. I really like sleeve tattoos. I think sleeve tattoos are very cool. I don't think I could ever pull it off, but I think it's awesome when other people pull it off because it looks so good. Like, what? And he's just a little cutie. He's like someone that can go from looking like little cute baby to like, dang, boy. He even posted like a meme about that himself. It was like a guy you can like call daddy and then introduce to your daddy or something. And I'm like, the daddy thing freaks me out, not gonna lie. Yeah, Jay Park, the lovely, the beautiful, the talented, at number 2. Now, number 1, if you're new to this channel, you probably don't know where this is going. If you are not new to my channel, you should know where this is going. Number 1 on the list, whether it's in the category of tattooed K-pop boys, or just any K-pop boys, or any K-pop star, or like any celebrity for that matter. Number 1 on this list is G-Dragon. G-Dragon's tattoos, I love. He's got the Dragon Ball, which I think is really cool. It's got 8 stars in it because I believe it's something to do with, he likes the number 8 because his birthday is 8/18/88. I know way too much, don't pay attention to it. I love the little like square heart he's got here. I freaking love his little smiley face tattoo he has on his hand. Honestly, when I first became addicted to K-pop, I actually thought about getting a tattoo for the first time in my life. Never have I've always liked tattoos on other people, but I never thought of it for myself. I still don't really see a tattoo in my future, but if I ever got one, I would get that freaking smiley face because it just makes me happy and I just like it. And I think it's a really nice tattoo. I don't know, I like it. I also like the one he has on his side that says Forever Young. That is a great one. I really like his mind control tattoo. I was living for this fake wrecked tattoo in his Crayon video, but that one is not real. He's a person that it's confusing at first if you're like, ooh, he's got tattoos. If you look up G-Dragon with tattoos, you get a lot of fake ones because a lot of times they paint tattoos on him in addition to his actual tattoos. So I'm gonna try to put a picture of all the tattoos that I think are real. If I'm wrong, if I missed some, I apologize. I know he's got a cross on the back of his leg that looks really good. He's got 2 little X's above his belly button. Those are cool. There's all sorts of like things why people think he has what. I really don't know. He said before that a lot of his tattoos are inspired by album releases and songs and just times in his life, so I cannot tell you by any means what they actually mean. He's got on his arm 2, on his back get, and on his other arm her. So it's like together or to get her. I think that's pretty cool. I just think that G-Dragon's tattoos are iconic. I love his tattoos. I love him. We all know that here. That is no surprise to anybody. So top 5 hottest K-pop boys with tattoos. It was honestly very hard for me to make this list of hottest K-pop boys with tattoos. So I probably missed somebody. I'm sure I missed somebody. I'm sure while I'm editing this video, I'll be like, no. Oh, I forgot somebody. So maybe I should take a moment to just say honorable mentions. So I'll put some honorable mentions right here if I forgot anybody. And yeah, I really hope that you would check out all these boys. Their music's phenomenal. I will put the link in the description down below to their group or solo, depending on who they are, to their channels. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up and I will catch you all later. Bye. Okay, I've always thought it was Jimin because I swear that when Rap Monster is like, I'm Rap Monster from BTS. Sorry, that's not what I'm talking about, but I just had to say that.